Yeah, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. If you're on this side of the dirt, hey, you guys better be blessed. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and follow your boy. So now you see the title, you see the thumbnail. We about to go get something pretty nice. So guys, just stay tuned. We got to stop at the gas station, fill up. We got a 4.5 hour drive. Sheesh. I'm not ready for this, but you know I'm ready for this build though, and I hope you guys stay tuned to all the up and coming events on the channel. I'm about to spice it up a little bit. So guys, you already know the deal. So guys, let's do this. Tired of stopping at the gas station. Elon Musk, hey, if you see this, you need to go on ahead and make that electric truck. I need that.
Are you recording?
What'd you say? Why you get scared in front of the camera?
Just get bashful.
For what?
You know. Well, I'll keep speaking. Anyway, it's just cool seeing that when you work for yourself, you work very hard, but we can travel whenever we want. We don't have to wait until one time of the year, you know?
That's true.
Because I'm tempted to go through my news feed. I'm like, oh, look, this person's in St. Pete. This person's in New York. This person's here and there and there and there. But if you really think about it, we don't have to ask for time off. We can just pick up and go whenever
No, we don't have to wait till the summer vacation to take vacation. I mean,
hurry up and get it in while you can. We can go whenever we want. Like right now, like at this point in time, we have as much freedom as we want.
So now you encourage people to be entrepreneurs, so and then they don't have to be at their daily job and trying to go up the corporate ladder.
Yes, I would say being a business owner and entrepreneur is very, very difficult, but is very, very worth it, especially when the business starts paying dividends and it starts really giving you a return on your investment. It's definitely worth it. And the time and the freedom and the money is just unbelievable.
Is the best. I like the freedom.
Like, it's hard. Like, I would be willing to go work for someone else, but I don't think I really see myself ever working for someone else again.
Me neither.
Like, babe, think about it. We could just pick up and go if we wanted. Tomorrow.
Yeah.
We don't have to ask anyone. We don't have to get it approved. And we can stay for as long as we want. It's amazing. Now, we work really, really hard for that to happen.
Absolutely. Hard work. And we have some playtime too.
Work hard, play hard.
Play hard, exactly. But there's a lot of things that go behind the scenes that, you know, a lot of people don't see, the grind and the hustle that you got to do to get out here and get it, because we're not expecting that paycheck every Friday.
Nope.
We're expecting the check every day. But in order to get it every day, you got to hustle every day.
Making your own paycheck.
So it's about changing the mindset. The mindset of you got to get out and get it and bring the bacon home.
Yeah. It's not going to be done for you. Definitely, you get paid when you take action.
Exactly. Guys, let me tell you, I don't know why it's so hot. I mean, look at it. I just was outside just pumping gas, minding my own business, and then the heat just came out of nowhere and knocked me out. Alright guys, got the ride all gassed up. Now we headed off to doing this 4.5 hour drive. I know I got the sweat going on my head, but you know, please just please don't pay that any attention, because it is extremely hot outside right now. I think the index is like 100. I think it was like 101 today, and it's actually 95. In Alabama, it's very, very humid. But it's one of those things that you just gotta go through, just tolerate the heat. Guys, I'm about to get this driving on, and I really appreciate all you guys that's been subscribed and the ones that's following now, new subscribers. I really do appreciate it. I'm trying to get this channel, let's get this channel to grow to 1,000 views, 1,000, sorry, not views, but 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible. But you know, everything all due in time, and this is what we gotta look at life. You know, we gotta look at it as we want to hurry up and get everything done right away. We gotta take our time and, you know, build up till you get there. Because if I had 500,000 subscribers after I first started, I mean, my videos were garbage. and it's a skill, and you just got to keep working at it. So, guys, you can do whatever you want to, but it just takes time. Don't give up on your dreams and your goals. Just go out and get it. I'll see you guys shortly. Enjoy the ride.
This here, boys and girls, is the Tennessee River. Gorgeous, isn't it? Oh wait, blocking my view. Well, that worked out well. All right.
Station, right, and get us a snack. And I was walking down the chip aisle trying to find something a little good, and I'm a little disappointed in what I just seen. We got Rap Snacks. Romeo Miller and Cardi B.
So
why would somebody do this? Why?
Oh wait, look at the title. Barbecuing with my honey.
What's the other
Romeo Miller, Cheddar Barbecue, Cardi B. I think there's one more here. Oh look, Cardi B, habanero hot cheese popcorn, and there's one more. Oh wait for it. Wavy Cardi B jerk barbecue chips.
Man, if you don't put this stuff in, this will not make me want to get some chips.
Sponsored by Rap Snacks. So if you want Cardi B chips and Romeo Miller chips. This is sponsored by Rap Snacks.
1.5 miles.
Keep living, man. This is crazy.
This has nothing to do with cars at all.
All right, guys. So we done made it to the spot to where we're gonna meet the seller. So now we just must sit and wait until he gets here. Hopefully he'll be here soon. Well, what you know, he's pulling up right now.
If you need to know how to install that power commander, there's instructions right here on how to install it. This is a throttle position sensor. It's new. Actually, this might be the one that came off the bike, but the one that's on there is brand new.
Do I need a throttle position sensor?
No, there's nothing wrong with it. So I thought it was when I was running diagnostics on it, and then I took the power commander off. Everything was fine. This power commander adjusts that throttle.
So the power commander wasn't need to be there. Well, and have it been tuned for the bike?
It's back to stock.
Back
it was
to stock,
tuned
okay.
For the Acropovic exhaust that I had on there, and then I put it back down to stock.
How does it run with the exhaust on it?
It still runs fine. I got the O2 sensor in, but I got a plug if you need to plug up the O2 sensor on the exhaust. That should be. One is this guy. There's another grip here, brand new, hasn't been opened. This is for the left side, not your throttle grip.
Okay.
These are just random hardware for your license plate. I mean, if you want it, I got 2 bolts. I keep all the stuff that was broken, and of course all the stuff that's new. Like this is brand new, hasn't been installed on back orders for the plastic cowlings that goes over. The only thing I was missing when I was quoting everything out and getting prices was just some of the clips and then that air duct. Sure that was good to go.
So when it was laid down, it must was very minor.
It was the front, well, it was the whole front end.
Okay, so that's why with the new shocks, the new forks. I got you.
What do you mean laid down though?
Like the bike laid over. Or
literally.
Like wrecked, crashed.
Oh.
So what happened was I had aftermarket springs put in, not those forks right there, aftermarkets in the stock forks. Dealership went and took it for a test drive, car backed out of the driveway, the service tech went front end, took the front end out, laid it down on the left side.
Wow.
On the right side if you're looking at it.
Oh my goodness.
So he was alright, he was banged up.
That's those for the headlights, behind the headlights.
They're on ballast right now, the headlights. I got the
You got HIDs on them?
Yeah, I got the stock headlights. If you want to replace those, take the ballast off. Put about 600 miles on it in the last 2 years, and just hadn't had the time to get out. 2 kids, and keeping them busy.
Oh, I understand that.
I mean, I went as far down as to get a sticker for the Yamaha sticker.
Wow.
So
Yeah, you went all the way out.
every single part I can get. The only the reason I didn't get that air dam was because it was on back order at the time.
Right.
Your plug for your exhaust. So if you want to take O2 sensor out, plug the exhaust. There's a little screw in there. I can show you that as well.
Okay.
Does the jacket come with it?
Yeah.
The jack stands, everything.
No, this is
Oh,
the
yeah,
jacket.
yeah.
Yep.
What?
Yeah.
Really?
That's a couple $100 jacket, but
Yeah,
like I said, the
Oh,
only
I was just kidding.
The only thing wrong with it is the buttons came off, so I never really worry about it anyways.
Oh, that's an actual jacket.
No, babe, it's not a jacket. It's a.
I thought he was just kidding about the jacket.
So it's got a couple inside pockets.
Oh, that's nice.
My coolest thing I liked about it was up here.
The shoulder, the pad guards right here.
Yeah, well, and the pack guards, you can change those out and move them if you want to.
That's nice.
Here, it's got a little pocket right here. And it's got a little St. Christopher in there.
That's nice.
If you're into that, so a little protection.
Yeah.
Full side.
Okay, so
And this right here, like I said, it's just a clip.
right.
I apologize, it's not dirty, but
Oh, don't worry
this
about the dirt.
This will show you how it goes in back together, and it's identical one side to the other side.
Right. I'm very familiar how to put these back on.
All right, so
This is his hobby.
The last bike I got was way destroyed.
Okay.
Like the whole front end, tail, all of it came in pieces. Side fairings were just destroyed. The whole bike was destroyed.
And you got it all back, huh?
Yeah.
So in here's old and new.
Old and new part.
So this is the
Like I'm old and cracked.
So cracks and stuff. Like I said, it should be fairly easy. Like I said, I was only missing a couple of things to put back together.
Yeah, you were in the military. Thank you for serving our country.
Yeah,
For
you're welcome.
service.
Yeah.
What-
I was. I did 8 years in the Air Force and enjoyed every minute of it.
Thank you.
Wow.
And I wish I was still there.
Yeah.
Oh, so you enjoyed it?
I do.
Oh.
I think about it every day. I wish I was still in.
Really?
Kids need you now.
Yes, and I think that was one of the biggest things was, my wife was Air Force also, with her being employed, me being employed.
Yeah. Somebody else will be raising the kids.
Well, it'd be one of us,
Right.
but then moving all over the place and having kids go, it's a challenge.
Right.
Yeah,
You just
yeah.
wanted some stability. I understand that.
Yep.
You're in a different season of life now. It's beautiful.
There's
Owens shocks.
Owens shocks. That's front and rear.
Front and rear. On the rear side, on the other side, it's not. You can adjust it.
Okay.
Got the windshield Scott steering dampener. You can adjust this on the fly.
Okay, the steering definitely just sit on the fly.
Yeah, tighten or loosen the steering on it. Full titanium exhaust. You got the power commander. I think there's a K&N air filter in there. Some people like them, some people don't. It's like that.
Yeah, I always look through this just in case there's some places require you to have this or some places don't. All right, my friend. Hey,
Hey,
it's
I
a
appreciate
pleasure.
it. Yeah,
Thank you, man.
anytime. And
Again, appreciate you.
you too.
Thank
meeting
you.
you. You guys take
Thank
care.
you so much.
If you got any questions, you got my number, just call me.
All right.
You know, if you want to do it, like I said, if you have any issues or
Yeah.
anything like
You got me set.
that. Yeah.
All right. Thank you, man.
All right.
Have a safe
Thank
trip
you.
back.
Yeah, safe travels.
All right. Alright guys, as you can see, the deal is done. I had to jump in the truck, turn the AC on before I get back out here so we can look at what we got here. I mean, you guys will be surprised at how much was spent on this bike. Like, I'm still speechless. Like, I can't believe that it's a 2012 Yamaha with only 3,700 miles on it. Got a deal and a steal of a lifetime. Like, I thought the first bike was a steal. This one is an even better deal. Now, this one got all kinds of aftermarket parts. So guys, just give me 1 second. I'm gonna jump out the truck. Well, you know what, let me do it now. It's so humid, hot and humid here. Like, guys, y'all don't understand. Like, I was sweating so much like I got steak bitten by a rattlesnake. Like, it was hot.
That southern heat.
It's that southern heat. Woo, that boy was hot. All right, let's check out what we got here, guys. Sauce. Got the full Akrapovic exhaust with the aftermarket struts, with the aftermarket struts in the back and on the front. We got aftermarket headlights, and I noticed on the front of it, it had these nice little LEDs right here. I don't know if that's factory or not. Tons and tons of aftermarket parts. Boy, I can't even speak. It's such a good deal. Man, look at this. Like, I'm like extremely happy right now. I did notice a little crack right here on the tail section, which I'm gonna have to order a new tail, which is not a super big deal. And actually, this bike is the Raven Edition. This is actually the Raven Edition, the 2012 Raven Edition R1. So, and I got the stands, jacket. I mean, tons of extra parts for this thing. So guys, get in the comment section. Get in the comment section right now and tell me, and let me know what you think I spent on this bike. Like, if I tell you, you would not believe it, but you just witnessed the sale. You didn't witness the cash transfer because I didn't really think that was important. But guys, get in the comment section. Let me know what you think I spent on it. The closest one, guys, I'm gonna send you a shirt, and I'm gonna send you something else. So guys, again, like I say, it's hot, it's Hades out here. We about to make this 4.5 hour trip back home. So guys, just like always, hit that like button and smash that subscribe, because tomorrow we're gonna jump on this thing and we're gonna start finishing tearing it apart and getting all the replacement parts that we need to get this baby working right. So guys, stay tuned to the channel. I like seeing you guys. Y'all my friends. Hey, see you in the next video. Peace.